Hiya, my name's Dan Lloyd. I am a Welsh-speaking actor, musician, composer and theatre director. I portray the character Aled Campbell on the Welsh soap opera Rownd a Rownd, and I have just finished directing a radio drama called The Arundora Star for a Swansea-based theatre company called Theatr na Nog. I consider myself really fortunate, first and foremost, that I'm able to work in quite a competitive industry. I also consider myself really lucky that I'm able to work through the medium of Welsh, which is, just being able to speak Welsh is such a big part of my identity, and it's really important to me, and I feel really privileged and really lucky that I'm able to work through the medium of Welsh. It's not something that I take for granted at all. And I did my degree in Bangor University. I studied theatre and the media there. After I finished my degree there, I went down to East 15 acting school in London because I wanted to try my luck and become an actor. When I went down there, I had to prepare 2 speeches that I'd learned and rehearsed, and I went in and had a little chat with them, and it was all going really nicely, and they asked whether I would perform one of the speeches in Welsh. And of course I hadn't learnt it in Welsh. I didn't know that was going to be asked of me, so I had to just kind of make the Welsh up on the spot, which I did. And being able to do that was one of the things that got me in. They were just really interested in the fact that I could speak another language, that I had something that was different to a lot of the other candidates perhaps, and I think it's that thing, isn't it, of what it is that makes us individual, and that was one of the things that I think they were kind of attracted to. So even when I was down in London, the Welsh language thing was a really important. In terms of the opportunities that having the Welsh language has given me, it's been amazing, because there is a whole kind of arena of work available to you if you speak Welsh that you wouldn't have access to if you didn't speak it. And that's not necessarily the case across the board. It doesn't mean you have to speak Welsh to work in Wales or in the Welsh medium, of course, I'm not saying that, but it's definitely been an advantage when it's come to working in Welsh theatre and in Welsh television. I just wanted to share a little bit what I'm working on right now, which is a television series called Dau Bach. And the brief that I got from the television company was to write a theme that is based on the old folk song, the kids' song, Dau Bach, which some of you might be familiar with. Goes like, Dau Bach yn mynd i'r coed, esgid newydd ar bob troed, which I've then developed into a kind of finger-picky style. And I put drums on it and made a little arrangement and recorded it, and here it goes. Yes, so that's what I've been up to, which brings me to the competition. I've been asked to set you a task, and that task is to write a song, a Welsh language song, up to a minute in length. There's £50 for the winning song. I will be the judge. I'm sure they'll all be fantastic, but it's worth doing. You get your hands on 50 quid if you manage to impress me. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing what you can all come up with. All the very best. A diolch yn fawr.